how to actually grow your LinkedIn business page in 2025 and beyond. So, for the last couple of hours, I put on my detective hat and I've done some research using Sales Navigator. And I found out that out of 60 million companies on LinkedIn, only 1 million have more than 1,000 LinkedIn followers. And so the thing is, if you have more than 1,000 LinkedIn followers on your company page, you a killer. And there's no that many killers out there. And I know because I am on LinkedIn and I see many business owners trying to grow the LinkedIn company page. They post a lot with it, they comment a lot with it, but nothing happens. So let me tell you my personal strategy to grow my LinkedIn business page without any money, without running ads, very organically, and to be in the top 1% because I have 3,000 followers on there. So I guess it's 3%, it's 1%, who knows. So the strategy is actually very simple. What I do essentially is that I post content. So far I guess you pretty much following. But the special thing about it is that I post using my personal profile to fuel my company page. And that way it happens. There's a transfer of audience from my personal profile to my company page. And like in 2025 and beyond, like it's all about people relating to people, not brands. And so if you try to be super aggressive with it, with your company page, I mean, it will just not work. Like Elon Musk, he has more followers than Tesla, but then people follow Tesla. And essentially, I have proof that it works because I don't do many things with my company page instead of just engaging with the company page when I'm tagged on LinkedIn on it. And so, as you can see right now, I have a bunch of mention on LinkedIn, and you see it's in the same, like in the last 3 hours I get my company mentioned on LinkedIn multiple times, but I never post with my company page, guys. Like I just post with my personal profile. Because of that, it follows to my brand, the company brand, and then my company brand is known and people talk about it and mention it on LinkedIn, which is free marketing, more signups, and exponential growth. This is how it works. And I hope you get it. It's I'm not here to give you a strategy where you will have millions of company followers. I'm just giving you a clever strategy that will make you in the top 1%, which is more than enough if you want to milk leads out of LinkedIn. That's it for me. Bye.